This Matri Pro can reduce your period cramps within 10 to 15 minutes. This is a period pain relief device based on the principle of gate control theory, which is approved by medical science. This device utilizes advanced TENS technology, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, for the instant pain relief. By sending soothing electrical pulses, it effectively blocks your pain signals and make you feel better. Approved by CDSCO, Matri Pro is a completely non-invasive, safe and reliable solution for your period pain instantly. Let's see what you get in this box. A Matri Pro device, 2 gel pads, a charging cable, a user manual and a gel pads connecting cable. Before the first use, make sure your device is fully charged. A red light means the device is charging, and when it turns off, that means it's fully charged. To turn on the device, just long press the power button. It's important to ensure that the gel pads are properly in contact with your skin before turning on the device. To switch between the modes, simply single press the power button. It comes with 3 modes. F1 gives soft and gentle hum, F2 a rhythmic pulse feel, and F3 gives a deeper wave-like sensation. You can control the intensity up to 30 levels based on what feels comfortable for you. Matri Pro also supports dual connectivity, wired and wireless. For the wired mode, plug Type-C end of the cable into the device. Attach the keyboard knots to the gel pads and place the pads on your lower abdomen or back with a 3-finger gap. Now attach the clip at the back of the device and secure it with a waistband or cloth. For wireless mode, remove the clip and attach the gel pads directly to the snap button at the back of the device. Stick the pads onto your body just like before and you're all set. Just make sure the gel pads are firmly attached to your skin before turning on the device. And once you are done, turn it off by long pressing the power button and removing the gel pads gently. Stick them back to the protective pads so that you can reuse them next time. By using this device, you can say goodbye to period pain and say hello to comfort.